In this video, we will look at how agents log into the call centre. But before doing so, it's important to understand that in Anywhere 365, there are two types of agents, formal and informal agents. You'll have a different experience when you log in, depending on if you're a formal or an informal agent. Let's have a look at the login process for a formal agent first. A formal agent must log into the UCC manually. The first step is to open Teams. It's really important to make sure that Teams is open first before opening the Snapper application and the web agent. The present status in Teams will determine your availability status in the UCC when you first log in, so double check what you want your status to be before logging in. If you'd prefer not to be available straight away, make sure your present status is set to busy or away. You must now log in using either the web agent or the Snapper toolbar. If you're using both tools, you can use a mixture of both to log in and log out. When you log in using one of these tools, this will automatically update on the other application. Let's go through the process of a formal agent logging in using the web agent. Enter the following URL into a web browser. Enter your email address and select Next. Then enter your computer password. If you don't share this computer with anyone else, click on Save so the system remembers you next time. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the home page within the web agent window. It will look quite empty, but that's okay. You now need to log into your UCCs. Click on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner and select Manage Profiles. If you have multiple UCCs, this is where you will see them all listed. The grey button next to the UCCs indicates that you're currently logged out. Click on the toggle buttons to log in. They will turn blue, indicating you're now logged in. If you're an informal agent, you'll automatically be logged into your UCC, and this step is not necessary, but you can still use the features available within the web agent window. Let's go through the process of a formal agent logging in using the Snapper toolbar. Open the Snapper toolbar by either searching for it in your Windows menu or locate the shortcut on your desktop. At the top of the Snapper application is a drop-down showing all the UCCs that you belong to. If you're part of more than one contact centre, select the UCC you'd like to log into. On the right-hand side, the red button indicates that you're currently logged out. Select the red dot to log in. The dot will turn green and you're now logged into the UCC. Your availability in the UCC will depend on your present status in Teams. To start taking customer calls, make sure your present status is set to available. If you're an informal agent, you'll be automatically logged into your UCC, and this step is not necessary. But you can still use the features within the Snapper toolbar. The top right will show a green dot with a lock symbol. This indicates that you're logged into the call centre as an informal agent. An informal agent works slightly differently to a formal agent. Informal agents are logged into the UCC automatically as soon as they open up Microsoft Teams. There is no button to press to let the UCC know that you want to log in. Your present status in Teams will determine your availability status in the UCC. Now Teams is open, you'll start receiving customer calls. very important to log off the UCC properly, otherwise this will affect real-time and historical reporting. As a formal agent, you can log out using either the Web Agent or the Snapper toolbar. To log out using the Web Agent, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner and select Manage Profiles. Click on the toggle button next to the UCCs. They will turn grey, indicating you're now logged out. You can now go ahead and shut the Web Agent window down. It's important to remember that you shouldn't close the Web Agent window without logging out first. To log out using the Snapper, select the green dot next to the UCC. It will turn red, indicating you're now logged out of the UCC. You can now go ahead and close the Snapper toolbar down by clicking on the red cross icon in the top right-hand corner. It's important to remember that you shouldn't close the Snapper toolbar or exit the application using the taskbar menu without logging out first. If you're using both Web Agent and the Snapper toolbar, you can choose either application to log out and then exit both applications. If you're an informal agent, simply exit or sign out from Teams to log out of the UCC.